Let us solve another problem on pattern generation. So here is the respective pattern for us, and we are supposed to generate this pattern for a certain value of n supplied by the user. Generate the following pattern for a user given number of layers. So here in this case we have given the input as 11, and this pattern will be generated for the odd number of layers. So here 11 is odd number, so that's why we have generated this pattern for odd number of layers. If we give the even number of layer, in that case the pattern will not be having the respective symmetry. See, this is the respective pattern. Here we are having a diamond shaped pattern, and here we are having the blank spaces. As it is not possible for us to count the blank spaces, we have put some dots there to denote that they are the blank spaces, and this pattern has been filled up with the asterisk symbol. So, and also the pattern has got a reflection there. So, we are supposed to write one for loop where value of I will be ranging from 1 to n, where the value of n will be 11 in this case, and within that we shall have to write our program in such a way that this pattern will get generated. So, at this moment you can pause the video, you can try with this pattern generation problem, take the experiences from the previous videos on this pattern generation and try to solve this one at your end. Otherwise, the solution is always with you. I can give you one assignment, extra one assignment, that you can make one pattern with this diamond shaped where only the outline stars will be there and inner stars will be replaced by the blank spaces or dot. Also try to solve and try to generate such pattern also. So regarding this one, the demonstration is right now. Just watch that one to get the logic that how the implementation has been done in C language. Now in this case, the pattern has been given like this. It is a diamond shaped pattern, and here this blank spaces for the counting, we have replaced them by the dots so that I can count the number of dots there. Accordingly, I can draw the pattern. So here the value of n has been given as 9. So now we are supposed to calculate the middle point here. So here this middle point is n plus 1 whole by 2, that is 5. So I is ranging from 1 to 9, and the blank space count has been put and the star count has been put accordingly. So here you see I is continuously increasing, but blank is decreasing at first, then increasing next. As this blank is decreasing along with the increase of this I, so this I must be subtracted from some fixed quantity so that the difference value will decrease whenever I increases. So now let me go for a test. M is equal to 5 here. So 5 minus 1 is 4, 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 minus 4 is 1, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So it is a very simple logic I have got. So in the first half, the logic for blank is m minus I. In the second half, whatever you are getting, it is that 1, 2, 3, 4, it is increasing, and 6, 7, 8, 9, it is also increasing. So how to get it? So I think it is very simple. So now just go on I minus m. So 6 minus 5, 1, 7 minus 5, 2, 8 minus 5, 3, and 9 minus 5, that is 4. So in this way I am getting this blank logic, that is I minus m. Now to calculate the star here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then what to do? It is very simple. Just multiply this I by 2. So 2 into 1, that is 2, minus 1, that is 1. 2 into 3, that is 6, minus 1, that is 5. 2 into 5 is 9, minus 2 into 5 is 10, minus 1 is 9. So the logic is very simple, that is 2 star I minus 1. Now in this case what is happening? Just see, here we are having this 6, 7, 8, 9, it is increasing, but it is decreasing, 7, 5, 3, 1. That means the value of I must be subtracted from fixed quantity so that when the value of I will be increasing, the difference value will be decreasing. So how to get the logic? The logic is very simple. 9 minus 6, that is 3, 2 into 3, that is 6 plus 1, so that is 7. I is increasing by 1 and star is decreasing by 2. So the difference value must be multiplied by 2 to reflect this type of changes. So 9 minus 7, that is 2. 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 5. 9 minus 8, that is 1. 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. 2 into 0 plus 1, that is 1. So here the logic is this one. So we have got all the logic in the upper half and the lower half. Now how to implement it? So here we are reading the value of n from the keyboard, and here we are getting the middle point calculated. Here we have taken two variables. One is the blank b, another for the start count s. Now see, in the upper half we are having n minus I for the blank count and 2 start I minus 1 for start count. So in the upper half means I is less than equal to m. So here we have written m minus I and 2 start I minus 1. In the lower half we are having I minus m and 2 start n minus I plus 1. So here we have written I minus m and s is equal to 2 start n minus I plus 1. So here either using this pair of equations b and s is getting updated, and here using this pair of equations b and s, they are getting updated. Now my purpose is to print b number of blank spaces and s number of stars and then one continuity break, and that will be the end of the program. So let me go for execution once. So this is the output screen. So let me go for 9. I'm getting this pattern printed. Let me go for 21. The pattern is getting printed very nicely. You see, for 21 the pattern has got printed. So if you give the even value, which was not expected, but by mistake if you have given the even value, then pattern will come, but the pattern will not be symmetry, because in case of even number of layers I cannot get the middlemost layer. In that case, I think you are getting this logic. So our challenges are only to get this tracing table ready with the logic, and later how to write this program. I think it is not difficult task for us right at this moment. Please watch all the videos for the better understanding, and leave your comments, your issues, your doubts in the comment block. We shall give you the support. Thanks for watching this video.